Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Crash Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive tussar with the Lambani tussar with kalamkari with kantha. These are all fusion I'm going to show. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections. So let's display the sari. Sari number 1, as you can see, it's a multicolored shaded dye. It's actually a rainbow dye, and then we have done a full Lambani work on the pallu and border, and all over there is a booty. So I will show you the detailing of this work. So as you can see, multiple kind of stitches we have done. So this is the pallu. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over. Again I'll show you the detailing of this work. So as you can see how the work has been done, and this is the pallu, a very exclusive one. This sari takes 2 months to make one sari. Very pretty one. And the blouse, full border work. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is again a rainbow shaded dye, and this time it's a bullion and Parsi work. As you can see on the pallu, it's a bullion knot, and the border, as you can see, it's a kantha with sequins, and all over body it's a rose motif. It's a Parsi work. It's all hand Parsi. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is all over. This is a very pretty one. I'll show you the detailing of this. Just see the multiple kantha stitches, and all over it's a booty. See the palla and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the same pattern, but the combination is little bit different. And the same pattern on the pallu, it's a bullion knot. The design is also different, and the motif is also different than the previous one. So just see the pallu of the sari. This is the work. Again I'll show you the detailing. This is all over look of the sari. Blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is a zari border tussar, and it's a geometrical hand block print. Then we have done a kantha outline with the sequins. So full design, as you can see, it's all highlighted with the kantha and sequins. So there is nothing much to describe. It's only printed geometrical design, and all over design highlighted with the kantha and sequins. So this is the thread, as you can see, multiple color we have used, and see the palla and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Another zari border tussar, and the color is very uncommon. As you can see, it's a cemented color, the base color, and then it's a hand painted, it's a rose motif, then highlighted with the multiple kantha threads. It's a very subdued color we have used. As you can see, it's a black outline, then a light brown and gray to highlight all the design. So just see the pallu on the pallu, and this is the design. Again I'll show you the detailing of this. It's a totally hand painting rose motif and multiple kantha stitches throughout the design. So this is the all over look of the sari, palla and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Move to the gachi tussar, and this time it's a kalamkari hand painting. And so this is a combination of peach and pink. It's a rising pallu. First I will show you the pallu of the sari. So there is a 2 elephants which comes on the pallu, and the design, it's a design which comes to corner, and all over design highlighted with the kantha and sequins. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. Just see the color combination. It's very pretty. I'll show you the detailing of this painting. It's all done by hand. It's a plain kalamkari and all over design highlighted with the kantha. It's a very pretty one. The color combination and the USP of the sari is the BP. The BP, as you can see, we have given a work on the sleeves and back. So this is the blouse piece. This is again the same design in different combination. So this time the base color, as you can see, it's a dull mustard yellow and the sea green, and the same pattern, it's corner to corner. It's a plain kalamkari. So just see, this is a corner to corner design, and see the palla. I'll show you again the detailing of this painting, the leaves and the shading. This is all over look of the sari, palla and blouse. Again the same pattern, blouse, full sleeves and back work. Now let's move to the another sari. So this is a very special one. As you can see, it's a multicolor shaded dye, then it's a hand painted leaf, then we have done a katha, kutch work and mica work. So this is the arrangement, hand painting, as you can see, from pallu till shoulder the design will come, and on the skirt this is the design which comes. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the design which covers the upper. So from pallu till shoulder this design will come. I'll show the detailing again. So this is the work, it's a full kutch work, mica work, and the design is all highlighted with the katha. So it's a very pretty one, the color combination. And the blouse, so this is a blouse for sleeves and back also, kutch work is given there. This is the blouse. Let's move to the another hand painting. So this time it's a Durga hand painting on the pallu with the Ganesh, with the lotus also. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the body will remain plain, only the border will zigzag with the katha and sequence outline. So this is a very pretty one. So just see the pallu, there is a Durga and Ganesh hand painting on the pallu highlighted with the katha, and see the border. I'll show you the detailing of this painting. Full design highlighted with the kantha, and see the body. This is the body and the border. It's all multiple kantha stitches, both side border. So this is all over look of the sari and the BP. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. Let's move to the another sari. So this is a silk linen. First I will make you understand the detailing of this fabric. So this is a silk linen. People who understand the quality, for them I am just showing. So this is the quality of this material. It's a silk linen, and on the lower side you will find the full copper zari border, and then we have done a 3D shaded. It's a deep pink, light pink and baby pink, and all over with kutch work and mica. So this is a very pretty one, the color combination, just have a look. So this is the pallu, and this is the all over look. It's a very pretty color combination, and just see the border, full body, it's a kutch work, it's all hand kutch work. Just see the palla, very pretty one, the color combination, the shading, it's so nice, it's all over same. And the blouse, this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the blouse piece with sleeves border. Now let's move to the printed tassel. So as you can see, this is a pallu, it's a printed, not hand paint. So there is a pair of peacock which comes to the pallu, and all over body it's a printed. Very nice color combination. Just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. I'll show you the detailing again. See the palla and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. another combination in the floral. So this time the palla border remain plain and all over body it's a floral with the shades of gray, and the base color it's a light coffee color with the gray piping. Very pretty color combination. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the all over look. So this is the all over look. I'll show you the detailing again. So the palla border remain plain and all over body it's a coffee color with the shades of gray floral, and the blouse, this is the BP comes with the sari. It's a baby pink, the base color, and all over body it's a putti jal. The pallu, as you can see, it's a geometrical. The sari it's a full discharge print. So just have a look. This is the pallu and this is the all over printed. I'll show you the detailing of this print. So the print we have, the color we have used the black outline, gray and white discharge print. So just see the palla and this is the all over look. Very pretty color combination and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this time it's a parrot green. The base color is a parrot green with the big rose motif which comes all over. There is no border. It's a borderless sari. The palla and BP will be remain same. It's a stripe. So this is the palla of the sari and this is the design which comes all over. So this is the rose design which comes all over palla, stripe and BP. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this time it's as you can see it's a old Calcutta depicting on this sari, full palla and the lower border, as you can see the rickshaw puller, the Grand Hotel, Victoria, tram. So these are all depicting on the sari, and the full body it's a script print. So just see the palla of the sari and this is the border. It's all Kolkata. It's, you can see the Victoria, the Grand Hotel, the rickshaw pulling. So and the all over body it's a script print. Just see the palla and the blouse, the red blouse. Now let's move to the zari border tassel. So this time it's again a pista green and it's a Ajrak hand block discharge print. The color as you can see it's a black outline with the Rani and white, and the USP of the sari is the blouse full printed. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the skirt border. Just see the color combination. So this is a skirt border and the blouse is full printed. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is a new print. It's introduced by Presh Fashion. So as you can see it's a Rani Palla border and BP remains same, and this the base color is off white and with the all over print. So just see the palla of the sari and this is the all over printed. And blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is again the same design in different combination. So this time the base color it's jet black and the palla and BP will remain same. It's a Rani color. So this is the palla of the sari and this is the look. I'll show you the detailing again. So just see the palla and BP remains same. The last saree of this episode, again the new design in kalamkari. So I'll show you the detailing of this full design. So there is a peacock and some rose motifs and florals all over. It's a very intricate. Each and every design you will find there is a lines and some kind of shading inside. So the base color it's a light coffee color. So see the palla BP will remain plain and this is the color. Very pretty one, the color combination, the base color, it's very nice. So this is all over look, palla and BP. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections. Resellers and wholesalers are welcome, and COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much and keep share the video.